Let me show you how to make these delicious, beautiful buttered biscuits. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this yummy biscuit. Let's get started, shall we? For this recipe I'll be using 200 grams of butter. To that I'm going to add half cup of corn flour or cornstarch, and to that I'm going to add 1 cup icing sugar, and then I'm going to break in 1 egg into this mixture. Now you're simply going to use your hand whisk and take a good mix of this and make sure it's very smooth. You keep mixing until you get a very smooth consistency. Make sure you watch this video to the end, right? So I'm going to mix this thoroughly until it's as smooth as this, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. So I'm going to measure 3 cups of flour well sieved, and to the flour I'm going to add half teaspoon baking powder, and I'm going to sieve it in and mix it thoroughly. Well, the whisk cannot do the mixing properly, so I switched to my hands and I mixed it very well until I have a very clean dough. Then I'm going to cover this and allow it to rest in the refrigerator. Yep, now it has rested very well. It's very cold as it is. So I'm going to show you how to simply cut out your cookies. But before then, we're going to divide this into two, not exactly 2 equal halves, and to 1 part of it I'm going to add half tablespoon of cocoa powder, and then I'm going to mix this in until I get a very smooth dough. Having done that, I lined my baking pan and then I dusted it with flour, and then my hands was not on camera then. Let me show you closely how I cut out the cookies dough. Make sure you follow this closely to the end. So I am going to press this, roll it into a small flat bowl, and then I'm going to arrange them in my pan. So now I'm just going to cut out all the plain biscuits before I go into the marbled one, and then I'm going to get a little creative with this. I just keep pressing them at the center, and I'm not done yet on how to give your biscuits that beautiful look. So now it's time for the marble. I just cut a little part of the marbled one, and then I make a small ball out of it. Then I also take a little of the plain one. I so make a small ball out of it. Then I join them both together and press it at the center. Simple as that. Well, I'm still not done because I'm going to go further and then beautify this a little. So let's keep doing this. Let's go ahead and cut out all the cookies dough in the lining pan. You can also get creative with yours as well. You can decide to bring in your A game. It doesn't have to be the way it looks. You can just indent yours in the way that you like. So I'm just going to keep doing some different techniques on this, until I get some beautiful effect from my cookies though. So now we're still going for marble effects on this one as well. Right, so I have a video on my channel on how to make the best coconut bread. If you have not watched that, I think you should just click on the link above and watch the video. It's very detailed and simple and easy to make. So now let's continue with our marble effects. At the end of the whole marbling, I'm going to create some beautiful effects on the cookies with a cookies cutter that I have purchased years back, and this cutter is very beautiful. So for this very marble, I'm just going to centralize just get creative. You don't have to do it exactly as same. You can decide to make some changes to what you see, and at the end of the day it's all going to come out looking very beautiful and nice. So in this one now, let's create another effect to this. Can you see what I'm doing? Right, all you have to do is just get creative, and trust me, it's gonna come out looking very beautiful. So at this stage, I'm just going to go ahead and forward this and fast forward this and cut out all the doughs off camera. Right, so everything is done. You can see that. Now it's time for me to show you how I use my cookies cutter. I purchased this cutter years back, and today I'm going to make good use of it. It has some other tops, like you can switch on the kind of pattern you want. It all depends. All you have to do is to change it to the one you want. So let's try out these cookie cutters and see how beautiful it comes. You're just simply going to press on it, and it creates that beautiful effect on your biscuits. Right, so let's continue, and then we are going to try the other designs as well, the other patterns. Can you see how beautiful that looks? Very beautiful. So the entire outcome of these cookies came out very beautiful, and it spent just 15 minutes in the oven. Yeah, so I went ahead and I used the design for all the other ones. Can you see how nice they came out? So I'm ready to take this into the oven, and once it's ready, I'm going to show you. Can you see how beautiful it looks? Right, so I hope you're gonna try this and give me a feedback. It came out very tasty and very yummy. In fact, the kids love it so much. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you find this video helpful, please kindly subscribe to my channel, and please like and leave a comment. Until next time, I'm Mama Rukayat, and do have you a lovely day.